question and try to guess the situation. The midpoint. I'll better show it here only. I can't draw all that car. Only till here I'm able to draw it. There's the radius R. It's moving in a circular path of what is it? The wheel on the same axle is so this is what the L, the length L. Omega 1, omega 2 of outer wheel on the inner wheel. So this should be the inner wheel. Wheel. Okay, let's take the thing now. Capital R. Smaller is the radius of the wheels, capital is the radius of circular path. I think I can't give this. You are supposed to assume the car, everything, I cannot draw it. Okay, let's do one thing. What is the V1? We'll write it. Velocity of center of the inner wheel, tangential, also like a V1, this V2. Can write it as V1 is equal to R minus L by 2 omega. Omega. Where is that omega? What is that omega? Omega should be equal to VC equal to R omega. That's all, no? Or finding very difficult. This should be the omega. So this is that circular path. The point C is what? Is going to move in a circular path. I think I can give this much only. So VC is equal to that R omega it is. Looking V1 equal for inner wheel. This is for inner wheel. Huh? Okay, sir. So many are asking, sir, like, oh, at least with this, you are able to understand what actually this is R, the radius of this, R minus L by 2. R minus L by 2. What is the radius of this will be? of mass, VC. So then what about this will be V1. Okay, now are able to write. So then omega is what? I'll put common for everything. So looking at this diagram, can I write V1 equal to R minus L by 2 omega for inner wheel? Then V1 should be equal to R omega. So let me equate these two. R omega 1 equal to okay, like this I'll get some equation. Omega 1 equal to R minus L by 2 omega by.
Sir, your voice is lagging, sir. And the video is lagging.
I'll check it once.
After you speak, the video is showing up, sir.
So much of data lag. Echo. Oh, wait, just. Can you hear me now clearly? Can you hear me? Okay, for outer wheel, light equation V2 equal to R plus omega and V2 equal to R omega. Substituting, equating these two. R omega 2 is equal to R plus L by 2 omega. The difference between them. So this should be equal to L omega by small r, and where omega should be equal to L VC by small r capital R. Because omega, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Yeah. This is very important. Actually, the wheel balancing, wheel alignment. No, so why do that? This alignment will occur because of this condition. The cars, what happens, especially like very important. That the lifespan of the car depends on that axle here. So how much the difference between them? Balancing. This is the method what they'll be using that one. So how to, what precautionary we have to take it? You should never go and turn. So when car is moving, no, never do turning like this. So what actually happens is like, definitely there'll be some occur. Agency sudden required. So you should not make the car to skid. So sometimes it'll skid, no. So during there, what happens? The disalignment will occur. The difference between angular velocity between two wheels for a given car, no, when it makes a certain turn, it's a preferred value. When it becomes more than that one, no, there's some problem with the wheels. What is the impact of that? That will damage, or that will what happen, lead to complete axle, gear, these things what happen will get like it will not get aligned. That will have impact on the mileage, and also what will happen, the lifespan of the car. That's why it's advised for every 2000 kilometers at least, we have to go for the wheel alignment, wheel balancing. Okay, it's a higher technical thing. So just this problem is something when we go for no computerized measurement, no, all these are the things what they'll be using. No, I'm telling this one. Every day it is used in applications. So for us, like if we don't draw a car, we'll only show some wheels or no diagram is given. We may feel, okay, what is use of this? Wide application it is. See this question, the terminology is something very dangerous here. I put
Normal contact.
no, start thinking some other way.
Your voice is breaking, sir.
I'll do one thing, I'll wait.